Hey, this is Philip Calaj, and I'll be answering a question from the BoardVitals Podiatry Question Bank. What slowly progressive muscle dystrophy often presents in boys who will complain of cramping after physical exertion? A. Becker muscular dystrophy, B. Blount disease, C. Emery-Distroph muscular dystrophy, or D. Duchenne's muscular dystrophy. So with this question, we're going to narrow it down between Duchenne's and Becker's, as they are both inherited muscular disorders. The difference here is the age of onset. Duchenne's will manifest early in life, around the age 2 or 3, while Becker can preserve itself to the age of 15. So the answer here is A, Becker's muscular dystrophy, as it is a slow progressing disease. Again, this is Philip Calaj. Thank you for your time, and I hope you'll join me again.